So today we will learn that how to convert gram into moles and moles into gram. So we have to learn these two conversions in mole concept. So first we will learn that how to convert mole into grams. So if you have to calculate the grams, so the formula is mass of substance is equal to number of moles into molar mass. This formula is derived from the previous formula that moles is equal to mass of substance upon molar mass of substance. So we will take the first example, and that is convert 0.2 moles of ammonia into grams. So the number of moles are given, that is 0.2 moles. Now we have to calculate the molar mass of ammonia. So you know that the atomic mass of nitrogen is 14 and hydrogen has atomic mass of 1. So if you talk about the molar mass, so it is 14 gram and 3 gram total. So 14 plus 3 is equal to 17 gram. That is your molar mass. So now what will be the mass of ammonia? It is equal to 0.2 into 17. So you will get 3.4 grams of ammonia. So 3.4 grams of ammonia is equal to 0.2 moles. So this way you converted the moles into grams. Now in question number 2, the question is a sample of carbon dioxide is labeled as 0.5 moles in a jar. Calculate the mass of this gas. So the number of moles are given of carbon dioxide, that is 0.5 mole. Now we have to calculate the molar mass of carbon dioxide. So the molar mass for carbon is 12 and the molar mass for oxygen is 16. So if you calculate them, you will get 44 gram. So it is your molar mass. Now we again use the formula, mass is equal to number of moles into molar mass. So number of moles is 0.5 and molar mass is 44. So if you multiply 44 into 0.5, it will be 22 gram, means just half. So 22 gram is equal to the 0.5 moles of carbon dioxide. Okay. Now in question number 3, the question is a student has to weigh 2.5 moles of NaOH in a chemistry lab. Calculate the mass for sodium hydroxide. So the number of moles of sodium hydroxide is 2.5 moles. And if you have to calculate the molar mass of NaOH, so you know that the atomic mass of 23, so it will be the molar mass of sodium. The molar mass of oxygen is 16 and the molar mass of hydrogen is 1. So after calculation you will get total 40 gram. So 40 gram is the molar mass of NaOH. Now put the values in the formula. Mass is equal to again moles into molar mass. So 2.5 is the number of moles and 40 is the molar mass. Multiply them, you will get 100 gram. So the student will weigh 100 gram of sodium hydroxide in the laboratory for the experiment. Okay. Now move to the second part, that how to convert grams into mole. यानी ग्राम्स को मोल में हम कैसे कन्वर्ट करेंगे. तो उसके लिए फॉर्मूला क्या है, द नंबर ऑफ मोल्स इज इक्वल टू मास अपॉन मोलर मास. यानी अगर आपको मोल्स चाहिए तो आपको मास पता होना चाहिए और मोलर मास यू कैन कैलकुलेट. ओके. सो एग्जांपल 1 इज a sample of glucose contains 0.4 kilogram of glucose and convert mass into number of moles. ठीक है. तो आपको यहाँ पे ग्लूकोज का मास दिया हुआ 0.4 किलोग्राम. तो जब भी आपको मास किलोग्राम में दिया हो उसको आपको ग्राम में कन्वर्ट करना है. तो अगर 0.4 किलोग्राम को हम ग्राम में कन्वर्ट करेंगे तो कितना आएगा, तो 0.4 इंटू 1000 इट विल बी इक्वल टू 400 ग्राम. सो ग्लूकोज का फॉर्मूला होता है C6H12O6. अगर इसका मोलर मास निकालेंगे तो आएगा 180 ग्राम. ठीक है. अब हम क्या करेंगे, मास को मोलर मास से डिवाइड कर देंगे सिर्फ. तो क्या आ जाएगा 2.22 मोल. तो हमने इस तरह से ग्राम को मोल में कन्वर्ट कर दिया. ठीक है. इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, that is a scientist has a sample of hydrogen peroxide which has a mass of 20 gram. Now find the number of moles of H2O2 for him. So molar mass आप निकाल लोगे कितना आएगा 34 ग्राम और मास आपको दिया हुआ है 20 ग्राम. ठीक है. तो अब क्या करो, केवल 20 को आप 34 से डिवाइड करोगे तो आंसर कितना आएगा 0.588 मोल. So it is very easy to convert gram into mole and mole into gram. If you have any confusion, you can ask to me today. Thank you so much.